Aloysius Gonzaga was born in 1568 in Italy in a rich and well-known family. His father was an important officer in the king's palace. Aloysius was the eldest son. From his younger days, he was in the palace. He knew the life in the palace. And yet, he wanted to become a Jesuit priest. When his father came to know about it, his father was furious. He called him and scolded him and said, "I had a vision and dream for you. You are my eldest son. I wanted you to be an officer in the king's palace. And what is this? You want to become a Jesuit? Even if you want to become a priest, can't you become a diocesan priest or some other religious orders? Those Jesuits, they are queer people." But Aloysius Gonzaga was determined to become a Jesuit. His father was on the deathbed. Aloysius approached him and convinced his father why he should become a Jesuit. And his father finally, or rather reluctantly, gave the approval. Aloysius traveled to Rome to do his novitiate and other studies. And while he was doing his philosophy studies in Rome, a plague broke out. And thousands of people were dying. People were scared to go for funeral. Nobody went for funeral. So Aloysius and other Jesuits were serving the sick people, but his superiors did not allow him to serve the victims of plague, but rather he was sent to a hospital where general patients were treated.